The Coast Regional Police boss, Rashid Yakub, has touched the hearts of many after helping a woman who was wearing a plastic bottle as a face mask in Likoni, Mombasa. The woman and her two children were waiting for the ferry from the island on Wednesday evening, and because they didn't have masks, they fashioned some out of plastic bottles they had. The police boss saw the family without masks and bought them some. Kevin Mutai from Mombasa has the story.
A quote by Norman Schwarzkopf says, "It doesn't take a hero to order men into battle. It takes a hero to be one of those men who goes into battle." Those words reflects the efforts done by exemplary men and women in uniform during battle. An example of even now when the country is battling with the deadly coronavirus. Police officers have been on the battlefront in enforcing the COVID-19 protocols, some even putting their lives in harm's way. But this picture of a woman using plastic bottles together with her two children as masks at the ferry crossing channel in Mombasa caught the attention of the regional police commander Rashid Yakub. Yakub bought the woman and her children the masks and even gave her some money and a bottle of sanitizer.
Ukiambiwa panga line usione ati kuna agenda fulani. Tunajali maslahi yako kama mwananchi kawaida, mwananchi wetu, na vile jali maslahi yetu sisi kama polisi. Police have been enforcing the social distancing guideline at the channel, as well as urging commuters to put on their masks or even have pieces of cloth to cover their mouths. They have been experiencing challenges in implementing some of the drastic measures, but they have remained steadfast, maintaining that even more stringent guidelines are required to keep the virus at bay.
The only way we can break the particular chain of the disease is staying home. Certain situations are inevitable. People still have to go and look for work, but we still insist the most important thing is people to stay home.
The authorities are also putting in place mechanisms and developing frameworks that will help the most vulnerable in society if the government decides to lock down the country.
We've already considered facilities around. If we have to go to that situation, I believe we're prepared for it, and perhaps we're working towards that particular direction as a team. Once that comes in, although at the moment there's no indication of that sort, but if that becomes necessary to go into it, I believe we're prepared.
Kenya has 59 positive cases for COVID-19, of which more than 10 are from the coast region. This calls for a united approach to stop the spread of the virus, which has killed one person in the country and thousands others globally. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.